Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. In my spice drawer, I have so many. Therefore, to repurpose them before they lose their potency, I make other blends, like this one, Old Bay seasoning. So, my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll grind a few ingredients. So we'll go ahead and start with dried bay leaves. Depending on the size, we might need 5 to 8 leaves, or as long as the amount equals half a tablespoon of ground bay leaves. So use as much as needed. We'll transfer to a small bowl while we look after the peppercorns. I like using the mixed ones, which are black, white, red, and green. They give more depth to the blend. When it's done, it goes to the small bowl as well. Next, we'll grind the Himalayan sea salt, which goes to the bowl, followed by celery seed before joining the others. And the same with red pepper flakes. It will give just a little je ne sais quoi to the blend. As you know, Old Bay seasoning is very powdery, so to make sure we get the same results, we'll return all the spices we just ground back to the spice grinder and process once again for a few seconds. Look at this. It's exactly the texture we want. We're not done yet. To this, we'll add dry mustard as well as sweet paprika, followed by ground ginger, then smoked paprika, some ground nutmeg, a little cardamom, and the same with mace, and a touch of both ground cloves and allspice. We'll give a good whisk until the spices are nicely mixed and transfer them to an airtight glass container. It yields a quarter cup. As you saw in this video, it's quick and easy to make, and you have a fresh batch whenever you need it. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!